CyberOx.
Yo, what's up? CyberOx here. Sorry about not coming out with any tutorials lately. I've been busy. Trust me, I have been a lot of busy. But as you see on the top of this video, it says C hash or whatever. If you don't know what C hash means, but most likely you do, it means C sharp. Now, C sharp is another programming language from C. Now, there are three different kinds. Sorry for blowing in the mic too. There are C, C sharp, and C++. I did C++ tutorials for a little bit. I am actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to continue them anymore. I'm not sure. So, it's just, I'm not taking the C++. I'm actually taking the C sharp more. The reason being is because, I could do a couple more stuff that require C sharp. So I'm actually learning it instead. But it'd be pretty cool, Anyways, this tutorial is going to be all about C sharp. Also, real quick, an update on the website creation. That's going to be held back a little bit longer. The only reason why is time. Time is not on my side. But anyways, again, if you do want to see tutorials of old and new come out, drop me a line, and I'll be more than happy to start them for you. Alrighty, so to actually do this, first, what you need to do is go to your regular web browser, if you will. Internet Explorer or Firefox, whichever one you prefer. And go to this website, Visual Studio. It's a newer one, and a lot of people can't actually find 2008 editions on there. So just go to my website. The link is in the description. My newly refurb website. Alrighty. Go there and go to, actually, let's go ahead and go there now. Go to my website right here. Hopefully the internet's on. Internet doesn't like me sometimes. It tries to kill me off. I could have sworn it. I could swear my internet tries to kill me off sometimes. It just sits there and waits till I fall asleep. Alright, he's asleep. Let's kill him. Either that or the internet doesn't like me because sometimes I'd be trying to download something and my internet would kick off. I wake up. Aw, man, come on, where's my download? Oh, wait, no internet. Whoop-de-doo, gets aggravating. Anyways, this is my site. Now, whenever you're at my website, go to Stuff. I love how I make that look professional. Stuff. Go to Programs. In general, just the programs, not links, but stuff. Go all the way down until you see Visual 2008. Just click the link right there. Also, the site is still somewhat under construction, so don't worry. Alrighty, and once you do that, you download it, basically do the whole full-blown out thing about it. The cake is a lie. Alright, and once you have that done, you'll have this. Alright, Visual C 2008 Express Edition. Pretty cool, I love it. Awesome. Real quick, that way I can go ahead and show you how to get there. Once you click on it, you'll be led to this page. We'll scroll all the way down and it gives you all the list of the visual ones you want. Visual Basic 2008, Visual Sharp or C Sharp, Visual C Sharp 2008, Visual C++, Visual Web Design, all offline, install ISO images, files, stuff like that. And it also gives you the system requirements. So I can run most of it. I'm bad like that. I'm down. Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and go back over here to C Sharp. Visual. Now, also one reason why I'm not doing C++ hardly anymore is because I try to use Visual C++ and it keeps giving me that file can't find error. And I finally had enough of it, and I mean that thing almost got me to broke my computer, man. It was so aggravating. I tried looking up how to fix it, I never could. So I said, you know what, fine, forget you. Because I needed Visual C++ to actually do some of the advanced stuff that I've been wanting to do, but it kept on airing out on me, no matter what I did. Even a simple hello world, it kept on airing out. So I was like, fine, forget you. So I moved on to C Sharp. So once you have Visual C Sharp loaded up, man, that's getting hard to say. Go to, either you can click on New, or you can click on this icon right here. Go to Console Object. This is what we're going to be using for a good amount. Also, you have Windows Form application where you can drag and drop. But I'm not going to be covering that. I'm actually going to be covering code, because I believe code is the way to go. Alright, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it test sub Alright, we're not gonna make a zombie here today, but still, it will be a test subject. Alright, or again, we're just letting it load up. I really have slow internet. I mean, my computer, and it has nothing to do with this. I can't disk the internet right now, probably. My internet probably leave me. I don't want it to leave me. I love you, baby. I was just kidding about all the mean things I said about you. Wow, I'm tearing up. That's pretty sad. Well, still waiting. Alright, now that we're here, what what we need to do is, these are kind of like basically the includes of C++. I mean, it's kind of like you're including other stuff. Even I still don't know what those are exactly. But, anyways, whenever you finally load it up, all this stuff's going to pop up. I mean, hey, you can keep it there, or you can actually get rid of most of it. It's all good. Alright, so we're waiting for it to load up so I can actually program or code, because right now it's giving me a hard time. Apparently it doesn't like being recorded. It's like, get that camera out my face, you know, so I was like, whatever. Alright, here we go. Hit enter, have some space. Alrighty. Now let me go ahead and break out the C# book. Alrighty, let's look at the code we're going to be going over today. A good amount of code, actually. No, I'll save that for later. That's fine. We're just going to go through the basics. Alright. Now we are going to do a simple program. The hello, not world. Because you know how many people do hello world? Man, I'm actually starting to get tired of that. I'm starting to get tired of that, just like the freaking, what is it? The song that always plays, you know, one that freaking everybody gets sick and tired of. I don't know. I think it's Trans or something like that. Or System 900, something like that. Y'all know what it is. Everybody knows what that is. Everybody hates that, man. It sucks. You know, as I keep saying, man, YouTube's going to run them right in the ground. They're not going to sell out a concert because they're like, man, we heard that song 300 billion times. Every time we load up a YouTube video, the song's playing. System 900, I believe. Alright, but anyways, what we're going to do, we're going to cover the hi program. That's right, hi program. Not hello, but hi. We are informal, so, you know, it's then, you know. Alright, so yeah, let's go and get started. Alright, now to actually to actually print out on the screen and stuff like that, it's a lot different than most programming, because whenever I first did this, I was like, what? But yeah, it's actually a lot different. So what you have to do, you have to type in system dot, and you want to kind of like, to actually make this kind of work, you want to put where you can start typing it, and then hit the space bar. Otherwise, if you just type it all out, it can actually error out on you. I don't understand, but you know, whatever. But console, system.console, console. Go back. Then you want to put right. Alright, now the brackets. In the brackets, go like that, and semicolon at the end. Alrighty, and here's our actually unaired program. But whenever you actually start to type it out, you want to hit the space bar to actually make it post it in there automatically. And the reason is because evidently it errors out. Real quick, I'll go ahead and give you a demonstration. System dot console dot right. And I mean, wow, this thing just made me look like a liar. Don't believe it, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is out to get me. Don't believe this. It just made me look like a full-blown liar. Don't believe it. I swear, it used to error out on me. Watch, I'll end the video. I'll try to do it and it errors out. Man, I'm so mad. I'm trying to secretly record it. All right. Anyways, once you're in here, you know you have the quotation marks right here. Basically, you type in your message that will be displayed on the screen. Alrighty. So I'm gonna type in hello. No, I can't do that. I can't. See, I wouldn't even type it in there anyways. But now, how do you spell Izvanicha? No. Lasso? No. Okay, just put hi. Alrighty, and there you go. Now we can run the program, but as you all know, C++, if you run the program, it goes and stops, like real quick, like pop-ping. There you go. Hope you saw it, you know, sort of thing. So we're actually going to cover a more advanced code that you really shouldn't learn, but I figured out the hard way. You have to have this to actually, freaking see your program. So type in console, console dot read key, right? And then put the brackets and the semicolon right there. Alrighty, that basically is kind of like a system pause, if you will. That right there will kind of like stop the program, wait until the user hits the key, and then it will go. So just come over here and hit the little play button, and we are waiting for that. While we are waiting for that, I'm gonna text. Making a video. Alright, here we go. Alright, now as you can see right here, it says hi. Whoopee! Yay! Hi! Bleep it. Alright, so now what we do, we hit any key on the stupid keyboard, shift, okay, maybe not any key. Okay, A key. You have to A key, I think it's enter or backspace, one of them. Anyway, just enter a key, find out which one works for you. Alright, so there you go. System.cons. Alright, you know what, let's go ahead and break it down like a fraction. Alright, so we installed it, or you did. I already had it installed. I ain't going through that process again. Alright, system.console.write brackets, and in between the brackets, quotation, in between the quotations, HI. Now, HI means hi. Nah, I ain't gonna talk to you like you stupid, because if you're watching this, you have some smarts. You're bound to have some smart. Now, if you're like just starting out on programming languages, I am proud of you using C# as your main language. Now that's the way to go. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Alrighty, anyways, system.console. System basically says, hey, system, we're using you. And we're using the console. And then we're going to write it out, It's like C#, I mean, there he is again. Alright, look at C# like a big muscle-bound potato. Alright? Great example. A big muscle-bound potato with arms, right? Really muscly arms, right? And think of, the C# 2008 Express Edition, a little tomato. Tomato, potato. No. Totally different. Anyways, think of it as a tomato, right? And you got this, freaking potato with really huge muscles, He's looking at the potato and he's saying, hey, man, we're going to be using system. We're going to be using the console, and we're going to write it out. You got a problem with that? And the tomato is like, no, go ahead and do it. Alright? And most likely the tomato will be like, hey, you want me to, make it where you can see the program too? So that's when console.readKey and the little curly brackets or whatever, or the swervy brackets, whatever you call them, the parameters. Yeah, I'll forget that next video. I'll be trying to figure out a name for them again. And parameters and a semicolon. Now, on this whole thing, semicolons are used for, except for ifs. Would you stop popping up? Ifs. The if statement. If such and such equals such and such. Like that. Otherwise, you don't need a semicolon for those. So, haha. Because they're used swervy brackets. Anyways, this is how to use C#, getting it set up, and the hi program. So, as always, thank you for watching. God bless, and have a good day. Come here, little potato.